Hello everyone. I promised that I would introduce my new functions, the parent functions. We'll call them parent functions. But I do have an activity prepared for you for, today's Tuesday, so for Wednesday, and I don't want to ruin the surprise. However, I will give you a sneak preview. Here we go. But of course, we can't start one of our lessons without one of Google's jokes. So why don't polar bears get married? Well, they all have cold feet. I know you're laughing, or maybe you're rolling your eyes. In any case, let's go look at some parent functions. Here's the first one, and these are not in any particular order. As you know, we studied the linear function in grade 9 and the quadratic function in grade 10. So what I would like you to think about as you see these images is, what do you notice? What do you think? What do you wonder about these particular functions? What's different about this one that you haven't seen in other functions so far? What do you notice? What questions do you have? This is an old favorite. Hopefully you remember it from grade 10. What about this one? What characteristics are distinctive about this particular function? This is one of my favorites. Again, what do you notice about this particular function? What distinct features does it have? I believe this is the last one that we might be studying in this course. What do you notice about this one? How is it different from the others? I know you have recognized a few, but can you name them all? Hopefully after tomorrow you will, or after Wednesday's lesson. See you then.